Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on captions in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on captions on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the second last option that says settings. Tap on the settings option, and over here again we'll be required to tap on the general option, which is the second one just below family center. Tap on general, and you can see the second option over here where it says captions. Tap on the captions option over here on the second one, and you land over here. Now in order to turn on or enable the captions on YouTube Music app, tap at the right side of the caption preferences where there is a toggle icon available for us. And when it turns on, guys, when it turns to blue, guys, the captions in your YouTube Music app will be turned on or enabled. And you can see, guys, you can change the language of your caption, you can select the text size of your caption, and even you can choose the caption styles over here from these, or you can set a custom one. And with that being said, guys, this is how to enable or turn on the captions on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.